What is up, my fellas? We're back with another POV. And as you can see, there's people in front of me, as well as it being snowy and cold outside. But I just kind of wanted to do a little intro here before we potentially get to some more high energy stuff, which we can hopefully find in spots that don't have the road conditions too poor. But right now in the Blackwing, still on summer tires, and it's 19 degrees F outside. So probably not the greatest idea, but I don't have all seasons or winters for this yet, so oops. But we're just going out for a little cruising, and I wanted to test out the Ace Pro 2 as well. I know that we filmed videos with it prior. He just got one, and I just got one as well. And so before, it was like super washed out and messed up because I tried to do it in manual mode, but I didn't have any ND filters. And so it came out pretty not great. So right now I have it in like pretty much everything auto. I have the EV comp to like -0.7, I believe. And I want to say that shows the inside a little bit too dark, but I want the outside to not be washed out because, I don't know, I feel like the terrain outside is the main attraction anyway. But anyway, we are driving up to the mountains right now. I have the car in my usual V mode, so let me just show you. It's like steering, I like it heavy. Sound obviously needs to be the highest. I have the brake feel and track because it feels the most linear. And then sport, engine shift. And I'm not a huge fan of how the throttle mapping is for that. However, I do like that it makes the diff more likely to slide. I have noticed that. If you have it in track mode, I feel like it tries not to lock up very much, probably for track purposes, better handling or whatever. And so for that, I don't like it as much. If you try to drift the car, it doesn't feel as good. It feels very snappy. Whereas with this, it keeps the diff locked up a little bit more, so the car slides more smoothly. And then Tour is all right, but I just like don't use it very often. I maybe use it if I'm trying to save gas on the highway or something. And then there's snow and ice mode, but I'm not about to use that. Anyway, so you can see what we got going on over here. I'm on the usual PS4S's as well. So we have a very bullable turn on the low. Yeah, if I knew a little bit more skillular, I feel like that one could be connectable. Woo! I do think apart from me needing to increase my driver skill, I'm running out of gear in second, and so then when I reach the end, the car is like ripping up and stuff. So I think third gear would be better for this, but I'm not really too familiar with that amount of wheel speed, so I need to practice before doing it out here in Mexico. All right, we better go run the other side of the mountain now, down and up. Yeah. That dipping and diving feels so good. Trucks going up here fast. That guy looks like the guy behind me. Teleportation hacks. Cut up this guy. Just really trying to have a little cool down lap, which is valid. Oh, never mind. I see why. That was a pretty good run. NGL.